Okay, so today is Vlogmas day 13, I believe, and I'm sorry that I haven't been vlogging. Like, as soon as I missed a day, I kind of just got, I didn't get lazy, that's for sure, because I love like vlogging and all that, but I didn't have anything to do. Like, yeah, so I don't know what else to say, but I'll be back as soon as I do something interesting. Hey guys, so I finished my homework for today. Not all of it I have to do and make a study guide, but I'm here with my lovely sister. How are you? Hi. She just woke up and I'm here trying to like be warm. We're watching Frozen because who doesn't love Frozen? Oh my god, this is such an unflattering angle, but it's so cold. And yeah, we're gonna watch Frozen and then hopefully eat because I'm hungry. And yeah, then I had to take a shower because I'm still filming my 8th day in my life, so I'm gonna keep watching Frozen. So I'm going to the dentist with my brother, right, David?
What?
Say yes.
Yes, we will say that.
We're going to the dentist because he has to go to the dentist, so I'm gonna go with him. And hopefully he gets me an esquite. Okay guys, so we're done with the dentist. We actually didn't take that long, and my brother, he got them red. So yeah, we are done, and now we're gonna go buy some stuff that we need for the house, and I think that will be, and then we're going back home, and then I have to go back to studying. So yeah. Ooh, hey guys, so I'm back. Yes, we went to the Dollar Tree and it's packed. We went to go get our. Anyways, we're home and you guys can see me right there. What's up? Oh, you guys can see my sister too. So I got home and we just went to the dentist because my brother has braces. He's the only one that has braces from the house. Oh my god, like the quality looks good, but when I put it, it's not. Anyways, I'm hungry. I still need to study. I'm just gonna study for the rest of the day, and I'm gonna edit my video. And I'm not going out anymore. Maybe in the night I might go out. I'm not sure yet. And I also painted my nails like this purpley color. So yeah. So I haven't done anything since I last talked to you guys. Well, I am now. I was watching videos for YouTube a lot just because I don't really want to stress out a lot about study. Because as you guys can tell, I don't do well under stress. Right now, I'm exporting my videos. I wish I could show you guys, but I'm using my phone, and I don't want to use my phone anymore. But it's just easier and best. It's convenient. But my mom's gonna make some food right now, and I'm just waiting to export my videos. And it's Saturday, and my video has to go up tomorrow. But I don't know how I'm gonna do it because there's so much people in my house right now that I forgot to do the voiceover yesterday when I was home alone. So that was my fault because the voiceover I really need to be quiet. So I'm gonna have to wait probably till the night or something. But I really need to export. Hey guys, so I'm still working on my video. You guys could hear the Christmas songs. I'm working on my. I'm just putting the music and then doing the voiceover in the night. And I'm also having lunch right now. It's just morisqueta, which is a Mexican. Well, not really Mexican because not a lot of people know about it, but that's my lovely brother. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat this and work on those songs because they have to like kind of make sense, you know, go with the rhythm and stuff. So it takes a while, so I'm gonna keep doing that, and then I'll be back with you guys. Hope.
Look where you're. Okay, move it. There.
Does that come out?
The door?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about just my face? How about now?
The kitchen.
How about now?
The kitchen.
How about now?
You assume that space?
Yeah, but does it look bad?
Looks like you have a big head.
Okay, whatever, right there. There? Okay. Mom, hello, ¿Cuál ruido? By the way, is the lighting good? Because I don't have the curtain open. Yeah? I don't look yellow?
You look brown.
So I look dark.
Yeah.
No? Whatever, my mom's gonna come out. She loves that attention.
Oh my god. Dude, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Dude, that was funny.
Okay, you guys, so that will be the end for today's Vlogmas day. For the 13th, I just got home. It's not that. Yes, I'm still filming. Yeah, we just went to the play for 2 hours. We went to Jack, as you guys saw, and now it's only been like 10 minutes after I ate and I'm already home. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to sleep and excuse my hair. This is what girls really look like when they go to
No, they
sleep. It's what I look like when I go to sleep. I'm like, whatever, I'm going to sleep. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.